I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we.
Let's get it! I always use concealer and never use eyelid primer. Don't worry about it. James palette. Mine is disgusting. I have 3 of them. It's fine. I'm really bad at explaining things, so stick with me. We'll get through this together. Don't know shade names either, so this color, put that, just pack it. We're going on a trip, pack it in. That's the dumbest thing I've ever said. Anyways, this color, and, put that right on top and blend it up. And this color, put that right on top and blend that up. Grab a dark brown and a burgundy. Spencer Reed wanted to make an appearance this Thanksgiving. So we're gonna cut our creases. My creases are never the same. Hannah Montana said no one's perfect. Neither are my creases. Grab a gold and a bronze, put that on the lid. Look, mix some colors, can you tell? Then this glitter from Pop Beauty, put that on the lid. Now for a liner, draw a band across and flick towards your eye and never flick away from my eye, that's a thing. Easiest way to do eyeliner, I swear. And clean it up with concealer or foundation, whatever you're feeling. This is from Bold Face Cosmetics. Put a glitter on top of your crease and put lashes on with no tweezers. And yeah, this is finished look. My lip is from Kylie. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Okay, we're wearing eyeshadow for Thanksgiving. Well, girl, don't. This is the palette that I'm going to use. 2 brushes and your finger. Finger is actually very important for a beginner. I'm going to use this color. And don't forget to tap the extra, please. So now we're going to blend in circle motions. With a different brush, I'm going to dip into this color. Tap the extra. And we're going to go inside out. Now, with your clean finger, we dip into this shade. You can use your brush, but for a beginner, I highly recommend your finger. Now, with the wipe, you can clean your edges. Now we can put eyeliner, but because many of us can't do eyeliner, we won't. These are the lashes that I'm going to use, and they're Style Scorpion, link on bio. And we put them on. Now we're going to put mascara. This is the sample that I got one day, and I love it. With your bottle lashes. And you're done. To be honest,
guys, I'm going into the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette, and I'm going into the shade Homebody and packing that onto my lid. I'm going to go ahead and start blending that out. Now I'm going into the shade No Joke, and I'm going to blend that into Homebody, and I'm just going to start bringing that shade up. At this point, I am deepening the shade, and then I'm going to go ahead and start blending those 2 colors together. I'm deepening up Homebody, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Talia, my inner corner, and finish off my look.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind?